Hello, it's Vicky. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're most welcome as well. So the first thing we'll be doing is to rip off these four from the slides, because this is what we're gonna be working with, the surface of the slides. So I got pretty bored of this slip-on and I wanted to do something fun with it, and I thought I'll share it with you guys as well. I'm carefully ripping it off so that I don't damage the surface we're supposed to work with. Alright, now that we completely ripped off the four, I'm mixing a fabric glue and I'm gonna be pouring in gold glitter as well. I'm using gold glitter in this video. You can use any color of glitter you want. So I'm being pretty generous with the glitter so that I don't have to do so many layering, because once the glue is dried up, all that will be left on the surface is the glitter. So this is what your mixture should actually look like, and when it dries up on the surface, it's gonna be pretty clear. Remember not to miss any spot while applying the mixture. If you miss any spot, it's gonna make the application uneven, and that's not what we're hoping to get. Now the first layering is completely done. This is what it looks like dried up. I'm repeating same mixture for the second layering. You could actually use a tape to cover up the surfaces that the surface you're not working with, to avoid any form of mistake or something like that. And this is the second layering. This is what it looks like completely dried. For the last and third layering, I'm just adding a little bit of water to help it bind, to help the glitter bind to the surface better. Remember to apply evenly, and here it is completely dried, and I'm going to be using these gold stones to place on the middle side of the slide on, sorry, of the slip on. And for that, I'm using a glue gun. In a second, you'll be seeing how I placed on the pom-pom, nothing special. So I'm using the glue gun to place down the pom-pom. Remember to hold the pom-pom for a few seconds to just make sure it stays on perfectly. And this is the complete look of our project. I thought it looked so extra, just as I wanted it to look. So remember to subscribe and like this video if you really enjoyed it. I hope this will give you guys a great idea if you want to refurbish your slip-on as well.